Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, May 28th. Well, what an interesting day. I was looking for follow through to the upside. You can see in these indices, like here in the NASDAQ market, we did get that kind of behavior. But the market also reacted to some other news, and I think it's really kind of the main news. Let's talk about that just for a minute. And that is the Trump administration has said that crude oil is artificially high. They've said it a few times actually. Saudi Arabia kind of took that to heart and talked about cutbacks in the production cuts. The market reacted to it. Crude oil reacted to it, as you're going to see in just a little bit. We also have uncertainty out there, though, with the Iranian sanctions and Venezuela. But what you're seeing are stock indices reacting to oil stocks. And you can also see less of that in the NASDAQ market. But what does it imply? Well, Sunday night, Asia's going to have a chance to react, and then Europe. And then U.S., we only have a partial session on Monday because of the holiday. And that means these markets are going to close at noon on Monday. It also means that I don't look for a dramatic move down on the U.S. session, but possibly buyers coming back in. So weakness, Asia, Europe, and some buying coming back in the U.S. session. Let's move on, though, and let's look at that dollar. What we see is that the euro did get weaker. The dollar did get stronger. And that kind of action I'm looking to continue on Monday. Continued downward pressure. And the interest rate markets acted like they should. Look at the 10-year notes. That money goes someplace from the stock market. One of the places right here is our friend, the 10-year notes. I do not look for strong movement to the upside. A little bit of movement up, but I'm looking for more of an inside day in that market. And a market that you would also expect to move further would be gold. Inside day is what I was looking for. It's kind of given us that inside to slightly higher type movement. I'm looking for more of the same on Monday. But crude oil, here you can see it did drop a bit. And this market, I'm not looking for dramatic lows, but I am looking for unchanged to slightly lower in that market. And in soybeans, sideways move is what we're looking at here. This was bearish coming into Friday, and what you're seeing is some profit taking. I don't look for a dramatic move up, but rather a sideways move for Monday's action. Oh, I'm sorry, they're not trading Monday. I mean Tuesday's action. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. For those of you celebrating the U.S. holiday this weekend, have a wonderful weekend and a safe weekend. And for those of you not, I hope you have a wonderful weekend too. In the meantime, take care.